We are done. I never thought we would get done. So for those of you who don't know, for the past 7 months, we have been renovating our house. We lived in the city and decided to move to one of our smaller rental properties and make it our own. And we've been spending what we thought was going to be a couple of months, and it turned into 7. So this has been a long time coming, and we're really grateful that we are now getting ready to show you the house.
One, two, three, shaping this destiny.
Yes, as a matter of fact, last weekend we had our housewarming party and Craig's 40-ish birthday party, and it was a great success. Thank you to everybody who showed up. We had a blast.
And thank you to everybody who supported us, helped us, loaned us things, whatever, throughout this process. Thank you to those who have been watching, and if you haven't watched, make sure you check out our playlist on our home renovation, and you can see the process as we went along. And make sure you subscribe. Subscribe, because now it's back to our regularly scheduled programming.
And now, let's show you the house.
Foyer.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night.
Living room before.
Now don't be shy.
And
Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top.
kitchen before.
So fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love.
Laundry.
Be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love. The things I love. The things I love, 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 love. The things I love. The things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love. The things I love. The things I love, 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 love. The things
Bathroom.
I love. The things I love. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us.
Bedroom.
I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love. The things I love. The things I love, 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 love. The things I love. The things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love. The things I love. The things I love, 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 love. The things I love. The things I love. Be one of the things I love.
Office.
Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with our bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things.
Well, everyone, there you have it. There is the house.
Yep, that's the house. After all these months.
Of all the blood, sweat, and tears. You know, I told a friend of mine the other day, I never really understood that I was going to have to rebuild a house in order to fall in love with it. And that's what's happened. I absolutely love our new home.
Me too. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. And thank you for following along. Make sure that if you haven't already, subscribe, because we are getting back to our regularly scheduled programming, which means there could be some travel coming up.
No. After all of this, there will be some travel coming up because KJ needs a vacation.
Craig does too. Thanks, guys. And don't forget, if you haven't already,
go find your truly remarkable life.
Bye-bye.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with our bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time, looping in the blurry lights.